How do you pronounce this letter? Do you pronounce it Zod, Dod, or Wad? We will know the correct way of pronouncing this letter of Arabic in a few minutes. But before that, let me give you a few words containing this letter and their two possible pronunciations. You just have to guess the correct pronunciation out of these two and write in the comments section which pronunciation is correct. Here are the words and pronunciation number 1. Daraba, Hadara, Donna, Ghaydun, Admun. Pronunciation number 2. Zaraba, Hadara, Dhanna, Ghaydun, Admun. Now guess which pronunciation was correct and write in the comment section. Well, this letter Dwad is a very peculiar sound of Arabic language. That is why sometimes Arabic is called Lughatul Dwad. That literally means the language of Dwad. From this phrase, Lughatul Dwad, you can understand how important it is for Arabs to pronounce this letter correctly. That they sometimes call their language the language of Dwad. And we must try to articulate this letter exactly the way Arabs articulate it. So let me quickly show you the articulation point of this letter. It is articulated between the side of the tongue, either side, right or left, and the gums of upper molars from either side, from right side or left side. So when the side of our tongue touches the gums of our upper molars, either from the right side or from the left side, this letter Dwad is produced like Dwad, Dwad, Dwad Fatha, Da, 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 Dwad Kasra, Di, 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 or Dwad Dhamma, Du, Du, Du. Some reciters from the subcontinent say that you can pronounce Dwad close or similar to the letter Wa, because pronouncing it similar to Wa is much easier than pronouncing it from its original articulation point or Makhraj. But if we pronounce Dwad close to or similar to Wa, one common problem will arise. There are many similar sounding words or homophones in Arabic with just one different letter, and that one different letter marks the difference in the meanings of those words. Okay? For example, the word Dalla with Dwad means he went astray. But if we read the same word with the letter Wa, like Walla, it means he remained. Confusing these two in Surah Al-Fatiha, Waladdallin, would change the meaning from those who go astray into those who remain, which alters the theology of this verse. Likewise, the word Nadratun with Dwad means radiance or glow. But if we read the same word with Nadratun with Dha, it would mean a glance or a look. Both these words have occurred in Surah Al-Qiyamah, one after another in two consecutive ayat. Ayat number 22 and 23. Wujuhun yawma idhin nadira ila rabbiha nadira. So we cannot interchange Dwad with Dha or Dha with Dwad. There are umpteen examples in the glorious Qur'an where changing Dwad with Dha changes the meaning of the word, which also changes the context of the entire ayat. So for keeping the meaning intact and refraining from distorting it, we must articulate this letter Dwad from its original Makhraj. Let's practice it together using the last verse of Suratul Fatiha. Repeat after me. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. It is maghdub and not maghzub or maghdub. And it is dallin and not zallin or dallin. Okay? Let's repeat it. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. If you found this helpful, practice this verse in your next prayer today. In our next lesson, we are going to break down the hidden rules of 7 heavy letters. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss it. And comment below if you manage to get the Dwad sound right. Assalamu-Alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.